Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I want to show you a beautiful design that's been in my mind's eye for months and months and months. I've been waiting to get to this stage to show you a design that I am calling Winter Wonderland. Something that's a little bit soft and feminine, but it's a bit heavy and actually does sing winter, here I am. So I've got these lovely greys, grey beautiful foliage. I've got this lovely Prince of Wales feather here, or as we call them here in New Zealand, toitoi. I've got some gorgeous gum that you can get from Prestige Botanicals. Plus I have these, look at these, the little mink and then the giant or the king proteas, and they come in the pink and they also come in this white, which I thought was just a beautiful colour. I've got some gum nuts, I've got some snowberries, and of course I've got some feathers because I just felt that feathers would be really lovely, because when you look into these wee brats here, they actually are a little bit like feathers. So this is sort of a little rustic, a little bit sort of Frenchy, and a little bit just thrown together is what I wanted to achieve, because I think that at this time of the year when you look outside, nothing's neat and tidy anymore, is it? Because winter's almost here. Now you can fill the cavity of your urn with some foam if you wanted to. Or sometimes when I need to do something in a hurry, I don't even worry about that. I just put all my forms in. Right, to begin, I love this gum. Look at that beautiful gum. The colour through into the rustic nature of the urn is beautiful. Now with these, I'm just going to put that down into there. And the other thing you can do when you're putting your foliage in, if you crisscross it, it means that you're going to have this lovely structure in which to work with your forms. That can go over to there. And I don't care whether some bits are high and some bits are low. It doesn't matter at all with this type of design. So I've got some highs and some lows. The next thing to go into here are the gum nuts. So I'm going to bring a gum nut up and over to that side there, and then I'll bring the other one to the other side. Now I'm not cutting, because once you cut you can never go back, and I might need to use these for something else. So with that being folded up as I've got it there, once it gets into the arrangement, it's just another form to hold our shapes, to hold our other materials in place. So I've got one over that side, and I'll bring that over to that side, so you can sort of see this sort of rusticy, sort of quick and easy form of designing. Now I've got one Prince of Wales feather, so I'm going to bring that into there. And then with the proteas, all I've done with those is I've bent those up again. I'm going to bring one in and over to there. This one's going to be a little bit higher, and I'm going to bring that into there. And with this one here, I'm just going to bring that and push that down and into there, so that we've got like a little step effect. With the snowberries, which are my new best friends at the moment, I love them so much, I'm just going to put these into my design with equal distance between each one so that they fall down. And then this one can go over to that side, and then with the pink, I'll bring one over to there, one down and into here, and then the other one can go down there. I hope I'm putting these in the right place, because I'm just sort of guesstimating where I'm going. I'll have a look at it in a minute. And then with the feathers, now these feathers, here's your feather. So what I've done here is I've just got the plastic coating of an artificial flower, and I'm just going to push that into there like that and bend that up, and I'm going to have one going over to that side. I need to see where I'm going now to make sure that this does go right. And then that can go in and over to there. Look at that, free form Winter Wonderland, perfect designing for this time of the year. Hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing, and I'll see you again another day.